following the decision of the Supreme Court on setting aside all judgments that recognizes the leadership of Julius Abure as national chairman, I, Chief Bashiru Lamidi Apapa, who is the most senior deputy national chairman of our great party, and in consonance with our party constitution's Article 14(2)(a), B, hereby takes over the running of affairs of our great party with effect from today, Wednesday, the 9th day of April 2025, in acting a capacity, and Alhaji Farouk Umar Ibrahim as National Secretary. My leadership hereby call on all members of our party, the National Working Committee of our great party, as at 2022, we meet next week, inshallah, 14th of April 2025, to announce our plans, which will include zoning the position of national chairman of the party to the north and national secretary to the south. My leadership will also take proactive steps to resuscitate the moribund board of trustees and makes it more functional. The National Working Committee members listed below are hereby put on notice that the National Working Committee meeting coming up on Monday next week, where we shall immediately set in motion the conduct of world congresses, local government congresses, state congresses, as well as the National Convention, where every member of our party shall have the right to participate, provided you are a financial member. And these are the list of officers. The pre-National Working Committee members before the crisis. The Deputy National Chairman, Mrs. Ladilia, who is from the NSC. The Deputy National Chairman, TUC, Dr. Ayo Olorunfemi. The National Secretary, Alhaji Umar Farouk Ibrahim. The National Legal Advisor, Barrister Oyelekan Akingbade. The National Public Secretary, Dr. Abayomi Arabambi. The National Treasurer, Mrs. Oluchi Opara. The National Youth Leader, comrade Eragbe Anslem. The Deputy National Secretary, Kennedy Ahanotu. The Deputy National Secretary, Alhaji Saleh Lawa. The National Financial Secretary, Mr. Roland Daramola. The National Vice Chairman, South-South, Ruben Favors. National Vice Chairman, Southeast, Mr. Okeke Innocent. The National Vice Chairman, Northeast, Alhaji Muhammad Alkali. The National Organizing Secretary, Chief Clement Oduku. And the National Women Leader, Mrs. Dudu Manoga. I also want to state clearly that our new administration shall conduct a new national convention within 6 months to usher in a new national chairman from the north, a national secretary from the south. And the threat of violent takeover of all Labour Party offices from the Nigerian Labour Congress President, Mr. Joe Ajero, is a threat to democracy and must be withdrawn with immediate effect, as no one has monopoly of violence. Any attempt by Mr. Joe Ajero to use force will have a dire consequences, including arrest by the police to face treasonable felony. Thank you all, and God bless. Thank you so much.